Hey guys, it's Gina. This is Earthwash laundry detergent sheets, and I want to thank the brand for sending these over for me to try. They come in this little packet. It has this little piece, it's like a sticky tape across the top. It's basically a way to keeping the bag sealed up. So it is also, what we'll mention, the bag itself is compostable. It's not plastic that is going to sit in the landfill forever. But I'm going to take one of these out and show you what they look like. So I know if you're new to the idea of laundry detergent sheets, it seems a little odd to begin with, but the concept is amazing. You're getting rid of like heavy jugs of laundry detergent. And also, I think that there's so many uses of these outside the laundry room in your house. This is super convenient if you are going on a cruise or you're going camping or any place where you want to do laundry, but you don't want to have to haul a lot of things around. Now, I will tell you that they do come in both unscented, and then this one is the Ocean Breeze scent. It's lightly scented, but it does smell really good. But if you want completely unscented, they do have a unscented version as well. These are completely water soluble, and if you want to do like a regular size load, you would use a full sheet. If you have a small load, you literally can tear it in half and just use half of a sheet. And then if you're hand washing, they also suggest that you use a half a sheet or even a quarter of a sheet. If you are using a front-loading machine and you have that little compartment in the front, they simply say to just tear it into small, like it tears very easily. Tear it into small pieces that you can put into that little compartment in your front loader machine. So again, one sheet is precisely measured for your average one load, regular size load of laundry. And then if you need more or less, you can adjust that accordingly by simply tearing the sheet in half. And you saw how easy that was to do. If you are somebody, like I say, that lives in an apartment, you're short on space. If you are, and I know it sounds crazy, but I've been camping before and taken a little bit of laundry detergent with us in case I had to wash some clothes up at the campground. And absolutely love this idea for going on cruises, because if you've been on a cruise before, you know what it's like to have to pay for the laundry detergent samples. Lots of uses for these. But if you also are just looking to maybe for a cleaner version of laundry detergent, these definitely, I think, are a good option to check out. And again, it is, if I can read the top of it, if you see it, Cleanomic Laundry Sheets by Earthwash.